The Guardian of the Skies, the story of the Su-35. In the vast Russian skies, where the roar of engines echoes like thunder, a legend was born, the Sukhoi Su-35, a jet fighter designed to dominate air combat. This is the story of how this mighty aircraft became one of the world's most feared war machines. Birth of a beast. During the late 1980s, as tensions between global superpowers remained high, Russian engineers at the Sukhoi Design Bureau envisioned an aircraft that could outmatch anything in the sky. They took inspiration from the Su-27 flanker, a powerful jet, but enhanced it with cutting-edge technology. The result was the Su-35, a supermaneuverable, multi-role fighter equipped with advanced avionics, powerful engines, and devastating weaponry. A predator with no equal. The Su-35 is not just a regular fighter, it is a 4.5-generation air superiority jet designed to outmaneuver, outgun, and outlast its enemies. Here's why it dominates. Speed and agility. With a maximum speed of 2,500 km per hour, Mach 2.25, and a range of 3,600 km without refueling, the Su-35 can cover vast distances in a single sortie. Its thrust vectoring nozzles allow extreme aerobatics, making it nearly impossible to outmaneuver in a dogfight. Flight endurance. The Su-35 can stay in the sky for over 3.5 hours on internal fuel, extending to 10+ hours with aerial refueling, making it ideal for long-range missions. Firepower. Armed with a 30mm GSH-30-1 autocannon, 150 rounds, and up to 8,000 kilograms of missiles and bombs, it can carry R-77 and R-37 air-to-air missiles for long-range engagements. R-73 short-range missiles for close combat. Kh-31 and Kh-35 anti-ship missiles for naval attacks. Guided and unguided bombs for ground targets. Radar and sensors. Its Urbisi radar detects enemy aircraft at over 400 kilometers, tracking 30 targets at once and engaging 8 simultaneously. It also has an infrared search and track (IRST) system, allowing it to detect stealth aircraft like the F-22 Raptor. Survivability. The Su-35 uses an advanced electronic warfare (EW) system, jamming enemy radars and missiles. It also has radar-absorbent materials, reducing its detectability. First blood in battle. The Su-35 is not just a showpiece, it has seen real combat. Syria conflict, 2015-present. The Russian Air Force deployed Su-35s in Syria to provide air superiority, escort bombers, and intercept threats. Su-35s successfully intercepted U.S. and Turkish aircraft near Syrian airspace, demonstrating their ability to lock onto F-22s and F-35s using their IRST system. During patrols, the Su-35 deterred Israeli and NATO jets, proving its dominance in contested airspace. Defensive missions in the Arctic and Pacific. Russian Su-35s regularly scramble to intercept NATO reconnaissance aircraft near Russian borders, preventing surveillance and unauthorized incursions. The Su-35 has successfully shadowed US B-52 bombers, P-8 Poseidons, and F-15 fighters over the Arctic and Pacific regions. A legacy that soars. The Su-35 is more than just an aircraft, it is a symbol of Russian air power. With continued upgrades, new radar systems, and possible integration of hypersonic missiles, the Su-35 remains a nightmare for any enemy pilot. Whether in combat drills or real battle scenarios, the Su-35 continues to rule the skies, reminding the world why it is one of the most formidable fighters ever built. This is Unchallenged in the skies. A true predator of the air. The sky belongs to the Su-35.